Hello guys, welcome back to Kevin Black Show. I hope you're all doing fine. You're all doing amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Like them, kindly subscribe if you haven't. Comment what you think, share. So today is day, I think day 24. I don't remember. I lost count of tiling, and a lot is going on right now. Yesterday we cleaned the rooms. Of course, it's still dirty, yes, but because we can't avoid the dirt. But when it comes to grout application and everything, the rooms are done. As you can see, all of this place, they are done now. So right now, what's going on is that they are finishing. They finished this other side. The kitchen is almost done, apart from the worktops that I'm supposed to fix. That is the granite and everything. The balcony, kitchen balcony is done. As you can see, we rubbed the wall very well. Here was very dirty, but they have really cleaned it today. So the wall at least is white, and everything is okay. This is the laundry. It's done. So on the floor, Manucho here is applying grout. Mr. Manucho.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, Manucho is applying grout. It's very fast today. It's like his girlfriend promised him something. So today.
I want to leave.
You want to leave?
I want to leave this place.
You are tired with this place. Hey, of course you can be. You can be tired by the way. So I think the only part that's left is the walls and this veranda that is probably gonna work on right now, and the laundry, and then the walls, the walls for the kitchen. So today they are doing the sitting room or living room balcony, and the boys here are washing these walls. As you can see, they are washing them and wiping it very clean. That's the work that's going on right now. Just washing them and wiping them to make sure that we do away with any cement and grout that might have been left. So that's what's going on as for now. We still have to remove it again, but that's after everything is done. So today they are working on this here. As you can see, this is the this is the living room balcony. It's done, and we started applying the skirting and fixing the skirting, and we also started on the veranda. So I just decided to use these tiles on the veranda. As you can see. Yeah, so I'll tell you what they would have done by the end of the day. It's around 5 p.m. They're fixing the veranda here. I'm gonna have those rough tiles around this entrance. These ones, they're totally different. So the kitchen ramp and the staircases gonna have this one. It's totally different from those ones. Those ones are smooth, so these ones are rough. You can even see the lines. They are rough and cute. So they are the ones we are gonna use for these staircases and the kitchen ramp at the back there. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. I'm gonna update you on what will have been done by the end of the day. I love this grass here, though it somehow grows, sometimes it grows taller, but it's very neat and easy to maintain. You can see, and my favorite trees here. I have so many favorites, and this one is also growing tall right now. see this one as well. It's growing tall as well. It looks thorny, but it isn't. These are not thorns. You can see I'm holding them. They are not thorns. Yeah. Wow. The sun is just almost setting. And the compound is very green. That's how I love it. Green, green, green. I don't have a problem with this side because the grass around this side, I'm supposed to do away with these ones. The other time you saw my previous videos, I was uprooting them. This plant that usually squeeze its leaves when you touch it, you see? That one. I'm gonna have someone walk along this area and uproot them again using a pliers. Oh, my whistling pine are doing well. It's been a while. I haven't been seeing them for a while now, but they are doing well. You see? Wow. I think I love this. This one is getting even bigger. These one are the survivors for the first lot. But the ones I planted last, they are also doing amazing. You see? I used a fertilizer on them. And even my forest here, I planted some blue gum. And they are doing really amazing. This is the whistling pine. I'm gonna buy pesticide and apply them very soon again, just so they survive, because there are a lot of termites around this area. Yeah, so that's it. The other side of the forest is also doing well. There are some what are they called? With whistling pine I planted along this side. I'm gonna have to check them. They are doing amazing. This one, you see, I have around 3 of them that are big enough, like this one. It's growing tall. I think I should trim it so that it can grow straight. But these ones are the ones I planted last time. They are really doing amazing. The gravilla are also there. See this one? They are very good windbreakers, especially around the compound. This one is even taller than me now. We'll have to remove these flowers here. My landscaper says they're not good for, and they even don't look that nice. But you know, I just use them to show that these are parking or somewhere someone can. If you have a car, I don't know when I'll acquire mine because things are just getting tougher and tougher and tougher. But it's life. At least we are alive. But this one is still yet small. So if you have a car, you come and visit me. You'll come like this from the gate and park here. Tentative parking. These ones are still there. That is the whistling pine. Another one is here. Another one is here. Another one here. Oh, so they are just there. You can see them. This one is still small. This one is young. But they are there. I have one here. Oh, it's like when they were slashing, somebody cut it into small pieces. Now there is this plant here that is always very problematic. I don't know what it wants. This yellow one. It kills fences. I don't know who brought it here and how I'll manage to do away with it, because it's very stubborn. You remove it, after some time you just see it there. And it kills the fence. That's the bad thing about it. Like, it can kill all these flowers. It's a pesticide plant. A pest. Is it a pest or pet? Not a pet, pest. So it's a pest plant. It survives by draining and the funny thing is that it doesn't even have roots. So you just have to be doing it this way now and then, every now and then. There, that's the most difficult thing. So this one needs a teamwork. Considering that this place is also funny. I don't know how I'll manage. I'll have to be checking it bare almost every time. And when you throw it on a dry place like that so that it can dry up. This is very, very bad. I don't know who brought these things here. Problems after problems after problems. And this is their main point. So if I don't know how I'll manage, because the fence is also thorny. But let's see how will, and it spreads so fast. Yeah, so I have some, this one was also flushed, the whistling pine. I have one here, very young still. These ones very young, but oh, that thing has crossed this side. You see, they really grow real fast, and they love flowers so much. Very big problem. Now my garden writing is here suffering from them. Yeah, so that's it. Let's wait and see if it will be done by, what portion of the veranda will be done by the end of the day. The only disadvantage is that I don't know if they can do the veranda at night. They have the security lights there, but we'll have to see what will happen. The mokre man. I'm not kidding. I have some trees here to plant. Plant them. This other side is not affected yet. But that plant, I have my kitchen garden tap here. Not kitchen, but garden tap. This one is for watering any plant that I have around this place. This one pours the water, like lots of it. This one can fill 20 jerrycan, 20 liters jerrycan within less than a minute. You see how thick that water is, and the pressure. I also have another tap near the toilet there for the latrine. This one is for neighbors at the toilet. Most neighbors usually come here to fetch water. I don't know how I'll stop them, but sometimes, you know, too much freedom is bad. Suppose the gate is there, open. But maybe if I'll have a permanent gate, I'll have to close. Not because I'm too, like, I'm what can I say? What is the best way to put it? I'm greedy, like I can't even give water. No, I've been providing water, like not providing, but allowing them to fetch the water. But sometimes now you see people come here and some stuff get lost, because you can find the compound is filled with full of people who, when they come to fetch water, they don't just collect water and go. Some go up there. You can find some used mabatis that were cut. They fetch them and go away with them. Some pieces of timber, they carry them away. And now it's like they are getting too used to me. But for now, when the gate is open, you can't tell someone that no, don't come and fetch water there. The only fix for that is that I'll have a permanent gate there. And once the gate is closed, no fetching water. You see, I fixed this one because this water, the pressure was so high, and it used to spread like the water. So I had to collect using this small pipe because there was so many messages. You can see that runoff that cleared this place. This one now is smooth, yeah. So let me get inside here and umei. You know umei? What umei is? Umei. I'll give you an update of where they'll have reached by the end of the day. Kindly subscribe if you are coming across this channel for the first time. Like this video, comment. I'm gonna have to end this video there because it has started raining and they can't work on rain. It's around 7:30 to 8 p.m. So they have just to. That's the disadvantage of outside. You can only work there when it's not raining. But they have finished the veranda and the balcony. You can see it's raining outside, and you can't continue. Let's finish the veranda here plus cutting. Wow, now it's very, very clean, The veranda outside there, but then the rain, the rain didn't let them finish. See that strip there? These are tiles. So maybe they'll finish it tomorrow, and they'll continue tomorrow. So that's it for today's video, guys. Let's meet in the next one. Kindly subscribe, like this video, comment, share. Adios.